This is the job of removing the solenoid of the clutch on the compressor. I can tell right away that as soon as I start doing this, that is not a job that I can do with the compressor in the car. So I think it was, for me at least, with the experience I have, is too difficult. First, you need to use a tool to remove the bolt. And it's kind of difficult because the whole thing rotate. You need to kind of hold here and unbolt, but it's very hard to hold this part. So then you need to have like a pulley extractor. On my case, it's already disassembled, so you can see how it looks like. There is a clamp that I already removed, but you're going to need a tool like this. You need like a tool like this. They're going to open up and remove the clamp. Then the pulley comes out. So then there is that big clamp there. We'll remove this big clamp. So then the clutch of the compressor is removed. Just replace this connector is here and reassemble it. So here you can see where the first clamp goes, where the second one goes, and that's about it.